Hello guys, welcome to my channel Programmatic DIB and I'm back with another new video. In this video we are going to discuss which programming language is the best programming language for developing an Android application. So without wasting much more time, let's start the video here. As you can see the screen, this is the biggest question on today's topic, as I have seen many developers always get confused to choose the perfect programming language for developing their Android applications. What do you think? What's your opinion? Can you suggest me which one will be the best one to choose? If you can, then let me know in the comment sections below. So now let's make some guesses on that. What do you think? Is it our childhood favorite C++ or C#, which have given a lot to application development world? We cannot even forget about those. Or are you thinking about our all-time favorite Java, which is the most liked and most used programming language in this world? Or don't you think about the magical programming language Python, which have played a great role in artificial intelligence, machine learning and robotics? Yeah, definitely it's one of the most powerful languages in this world. But we are forgetting about this rapidly growing programming language Kotlin. Or it's one of those programming languages which you did not even heard about, or you have forgotten those names like Go language, Visual Basic, PHP, Ruby, Groovy and all. Yeah, I know you are getting frustrated. I also can't wait much to pick one big name from those. So let's start the comparison between some big heads. So first of all, I would like to talk about the magical programming language Python. So Python can be used for Android application development even though Android does not support native Python development. This can be done using various tools that converts the Python apps into Android packages that can be run on any Android devices. As I have said tools, you can take an example of this is Kivy. That is an open source Python library used for developing mobile applications. It supports Android and also encourages the rapid application development, which is a win-win situation according to me. But one big problem is also there. Kivy will not get native benefits because it's not natively supported by Android. Yeah, this is all about using Python for Android application development. Let's move to the next language. So here is the refreshed version of our childhood's most favorite programming language, which is nothing but C++. But do you think you can use C++ for Android application development? Yeah, you can. C++ can be used for Android application development using the Android Native Development Kit, which is nothing but NDK. But an Android application cannot be created totally using C++, and the Native Development Kit is used to implement parts of the application in C++ native code. This helps in using C++ code libraries for the application as required. Yeah, I know C++ is useful for Android application development in some cases. It is much more difficult to set up and it's much less flexible. So that's all about using C++ for Android application development. Let's move to the next language. Kotlin. This is a cross-platform programming language that may be used as an alternative to Java for Android application development. It has been introduced as a secondary official Java language in 2017. Also, Kotlin can interoperate with Java and it runs on the JVM. The only sizable difference is that Kotlin removes some super features of Java, such as null pointer exceptions. It also removes the necessity of ending every line with a semicolon. In short, Kotlin is much simpler for beginners to try as compared to Java. It can also be used as an entry point for Android application development. So that's it for Kotlin. Let's move to the next language. Here it comes, our most favorite programming language, Java. Java is the official language for Android application development. It is the most used programming language as well. Many of the applications in Play Store are built with Java. It is also the most supported language by Google. In addition to all of this, Java has a great online community for support in case of any problems. And trust me, this is the biggest community. However, Java is a complicated language for a beginner to use, as it contains complex topics like constructors, null pointer exceptions, concurrency, checked exceptions, etc. Also, the Android SDK increases the complexity to a new level. And in all, Java is a great language to experience the full joys of Android application development. However, it may be a little complex with beginners who would prefer to start with something easier and then return to it. Yeah, but one thing we all know, Android is always comfortable with all these languages. That's why we all love Android that much. And moreover, these days Flutter like big technologies are came into the picture. So up to now we have discussed all the big options to develop Android applications by discussing all the features of all the languages. So here it comes our conclusion part. I will share my conclusion, you to share your conclusion. You can say there are many programming languages are there to use for Android application development, but I will say if there is Java, no programming language can give that much performance, that much flexibility, that much features. So at last I will conclude that Java is the best programming language for Android application development. And you can say second preferred language for Android development will be Kotlin. So guys, that's it all about today's video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel so that it will motivate me a lot and I will come with more and more videos. Stay tuned.